What's up guys? A short video sa travel namin here in Bangkok. And ayun, interviewin na natin yung mga kasama natin sa trip. UM Edward.
Hello, how are you today?
So, kumusta naman yung experience?
Actually, planning na nga kami mag-extend pa ng 2 weeks.
Give it 2 weeks.
Yes, grabe. Kasi talagang, punong-puno yung schedule namin. And then, syempre, kasama ko yung mga, nilolook up natin sa industry.
Ewan ko naman masyado. O sige, dito naman tayo kay UM Sunny. Hi UM Sunny, how's your our vacation, our very short vacation?
It's a great trip, guys, with grateful team. So, namely, BM Mart, of course, our sponsor. We have here UM Edward, and of course, Chrissy, Chrissy. I enjoyed, traveling with you.
So, dapat planuhin na natin yung next.
Next, yes, I think I want a cold place, maybe in Japan or maybe in Europe. Why not?
Dahan-dahan naman tayo.
Yeah.
Ay, syempre, lastly, interviewin natin ang ating sponsor for this trip. Yes, let's go. BM Mart. Hi, BM!
So ano to?
Happy
Ano
birthday.
gusto mo?
Charing. So, how's the experience traveling with you?
Well, it's, one thing that I like about traveling kasi guys is mas nakikilala ko yung mga tao on a deeper level. And I think more than the sceneries or yung mga pinuntahan natin, it's really more of me getting to know you guys. So, yun yung pinakamasaya sa travel natin for this trip.
Thank you, BM! So, ayun, yun na yung short video natin. Siyempre, thank you, BM, for this trip. Ayan. So, enjoy lang namin tong lounge, first class lounge. Thank you, BM. And let's go! See you on the next trip. Bye!